love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you.
Good morning. What you just saw me do is something that happens very rarely, if almost never, I guess. Ever? I am attempting to cook. I found this recipe for Romkugler. I don't really know what the Danish, or I know what the Danish word is, but I don't know what the English word is. And I feel like this happens at least once every video, but I will put it in here if I find it. I also found this recipe through a girlfriend in the mama group. She made them and they were oh so delicious, and she found it through an Instagram profile, and credit should always be due where credit is due, so I will put that Instagram profile here in case you want to go and find it. But yeah, I'm making these chocolate balls, and I've prepared the first part of the recipe, which is where you make the batter. This is gonna then be crumbled and rolled into balls together with some raspberry jam, and then I'm gonna just put the balls through a layer of these ones as well. What you need to make it is this cake mix. Yes, I cheated that far. And and then you need some some crumbles. You can also do like nuts, like chopped up nuts or something, and then some rum aroma, and this is some raspberry jam from the same brand, so I'm guessing like a lot less calories and a lot less sugar. And then you also need some butter to butter up the thing you bake it in. I don't know what that's called. And you also need some skyr, because you use this instead of oil or butter, which the recipe on the bag says. So if you're following this recipe, just change the oil to skyr. All right. We are waiting for the oven to heat up. That's the first thing you should always do, is turn on the oven, and I didn't. But I'm waiting for it to heat up, and it's almost there. So I figured that I would just quickly take you through the day. I am now baking. The house is fairly clean, and in a few hours we have some guests coming, some mamas coming. We're just gonna be 3 mamas today, and our little chubs, and they're gonna play. And I really wanted to spoil them with some sweets, so I'm making these chocolate balls that are like super healthy. They're like no calories at all. And then I'm also taking Johannes now. In just a few minutes we're gonna go to the baker and we're gonna buy some pastry and bread. And then we're gonna set up the table. While we just wait for the oven to heat up properly, maybe I should show you. I got a little delivery the other day. I figured I would show you what I bought. One of my favorite designers are Gucci, and I've had my wallet for like a long time, so I decided to get a new wallet. This is what it looks like. I've had my eye on this one for quite a while. Don't mind this, I'm gonna fix this before we go, just so you know. But I've had my eye on this one for a long time. Oh, boo-boo! Daddy got you. I've had my eye on this one for a long time, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna switch my cards over to this one like tomorrow. But what I especially like is that it has both the silver and the gold hardware. So yeah.
Should we should we surprise Mama?
What?
So maybe you should review this one too then.
Vad är det här?
Det är femårsgaven din skatt och tidlig bursdagsgave.
Va?
Happy anniversary and happy birthday in advance.
Gud skatt, vad har du köpt för någonting? Är den till mig?
Ja.
Okej.
Du sitter och ser på bra.
What? Vad har du gömt den här?
Det är inte bra. Ja, Bobbe, ska du höra sig?
No! Oh my gosh, she's so pretty! Okay, this was quite a different spin on this video than I was expecting. Thank you, babe. Come here so I can kiss you. You locked me in with our baby. I can't get out. Thank you, babe. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I guess I have both the wallet and the bag now. Seriously, babe. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're so sneaky.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Work you sometimes.
Okay, I'm gonna go play with this.
I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on.
I am not crying, it's just the wind is... It is so cold that I just got like a mini brain freeze just from the wind. It might be there might be a lot of snow and a lot of winter in like Sweden and Norway and Finland, but damn, it can blow really cold in Denmark. Like it can really just go like deep into your spine. You're just like, ah. Okay, never mind. That's not what I was saying. Now we're on our way to pick up the pastries from the baker. Eric is on cake duty, so he will take it out of the oven when it's done before I'm gonna crumble it. How cute is my husband, by the way? Thank you so much, babe. I think I got a little shocked. I don't really know what to say, but it's just, yeah. I love Gucci and I've been wanting that bag for a while actually. It's so classic and cute and small and nice, so thank you so much. I am very grateful. When we picked up the bakery goods, we're just gonna go straight home. I had this plan to go to Bilka and like buy some extra of the cake mix because I really think that these chocolate balls are so good, but it's simply too cold, so I'm not gonna manage. Yeah, let's hurry there and hurry home.
Remember when we said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us, just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not
No, okay, sorry. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Okay, we are home again. I have about 30 minutes until the other mamas are coming. If you hear some noise, it's Dusty, my yeah, what do you say? Can I say that he's my most loved family member? I don't really think so, but he's doing a good job. No, but he's the noise in the background. What I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna finish the chocolate balls, and for that I need to take a fork and then yeah, I'm gonna take a fork and then I'm gonna scratch this all up so it becomes like crumbs. And in the crumbs I'm then gonna put 60 grams of the raspberry jam, and also it says 6 milliliters of the rum aroma, but I do think that I will, oh focus please, but I do think that I'll put a little bit more. I did 7 milliliters the other day and we couldn't taste it at all, and I actually kind of like the essence, the flavor, so I'm gonna put maybe 10. Maybe I'll ruin it, but let's try. No, but I'm gonna do this one and the raspberry jam into the crumbs, roll them up into small balls, and then dip them in the what is this called? Sprinkles? Yes, dip them in the sprinkles, and then they're going in the fridge for 1 hour, and then they are done. So stay tuned.
Not us, but we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. This shouldn't be us. What came between us? When did we become like them? We weren't supposed to break up, but it's too late to make up. Don't know what my heart will mend. No, this should not be us, not be us, not be us. This should not be us, not be us, not be us. Remember when we thought that we were better than all of the others? Just us, just us. Said we wouldn't let things come between us, let love rule, not beat us, not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. This shouldn't be us. What came between us? When did we become like them? We weren't supposed to break up, but it's too late to make up. Don't know what my heart will mend. No, this Remember when we said we'd stay together? Now until forever and ever, just us, just us, just us, just us.
Hello everybody, I just wanted to pop back in and say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I made those chocolate balls, and also maybe my reaction to getting like the most perfect gift ever. But I will see you in the next video. I have a quite interesting DIY planned. I managed to get a hold of one of those old thingies, and I may or may not have plans to upcycle it, like make it a bit nicer. So, but I guess you'll find out in a future vlog if it happens. It would make me very happy if you would consider subscribing, clicking the like button, and maybe also leaving a comment if you want. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.